Hey folks, Poverty Point Customs here. Well, this is my John Deere 1025r tractor. So today's project is replacing the worn out seat springs with a set that I purchased through boltonhooks.com. So when riding this tractor, it's completely bottoming out. I can almost bottom out the seat springs by just pushing down with one hand. So we're gonna replace these. So the first step is you're gonna remove this clip holding the pin on. So we're going to take this off and take the seat off. Tilt the seat up and you're going to remove the seat safety switch. So once the seat's off, you have two stop bolts you have to remove, here and here. So you're going to need an 11mm and a 5/16 on the outside. So you're going to take these both out. You don't need to, but to make a little bit more room, you can pop out these little rubber stoppers, just like that. What you're going to remove next is these two straps. So these straps actually hold down your seat belt. So we're going to remove these two here. So to take these off, I have an adjustable wrench underneath. There is a bolt. You need to hold the bolt, and it's a T40, so you're going to take both of these off. There's not a whole lot of compression on these springs because they're worn out. As you can see, that allows the seat bracket to go up a little bit. You can take out the old springs. There they are. And these little top parts there, the two rubbers, the new springs are going to fit into these. So these little rubber parts that were on the old springs, you're going to transfer those to the new springs like that. And you're going to take the new spring and it's going to go in just like that. So this little rubber part is going to rest on this rod. So they're going to sit in just like that, and you're able to push this down a little bit. You're going to reinstall your seatbelt bracket and then put on your straps. Now some people have to use a C-clamp. I feel like I'm able to push this down enough to tighten it down. So I've got one on. Again, it's a T40 and it's a 12mm on the bottom. So I was able to push down enough to get the nut and bolt in. So we're going to do the other side. All right, so we have both bolts in, so we can reinstall these little stoppers. Again, that just gives you a little more room when you're trying to get the nut on the underside. So I can feel here there's a lot more pressure required to push down on the seat. So next we're going to reinstall the seat. So the seat's all installed. It's your bar and then your clip on the end. You're going to hook up your seat safety switch. So you're going to reinstall your stop bolts here and here. All right, everything's installed. So sitting on it the first time, I actually have a suspension in the spring now instead of bottoming out on the old ones. I must say, out of all the upgrades I've done on this tractor so far, this is by far the one that I should have done first. These were completely worn out. Having these new springs is going to make this feel like it's a brand new tractor when you're riding it. Not to mention they look nice, being all nice and gold looking. And this is an upgrade that anybody can do with some basic hand tools. This is something that literally takes 5 minutes to do. And again, I got them through boltonhooks.com. And there's their website. And there's the old ones. Really appreciate you watching. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions for future videos, make sure you post them below. Appreciate you watching. Take care.